Here Stephen begins the task of ploughing. A plough is used in farming for initial cultivation of soil in preparation for sowing seed or planting, to loosen or turn the soil. Ploughs were traditionally drawn by horses or cattle, but in modern times are drawn by tractors. It has been a basic instrument for most of recorded history, although written references to the plough do not appear in English until about 1100, at which point it is referenced frequently. The plough represents one of the major agricultural inventions in human history. The primary purpose of ploughing is to turn over the upper layer of the soil, bringing fresh nutrients to the surface, while burying weeds and the remains of previous crops and allowing them to break down. At Tughall, the plough is drawn through the soil, which creates long trenches of fertile soil called furrows. In modern use, a ploughed field is typically left to dry out and is then harrowed before planting. Use of the plough has decreased in some areas, often those significantly threatened by soil damage and erosion, in favour of shallower ploughing and other less invasive conservation tillage techniques. This thankfully is not the case at Tughall, Newton Barnes or the Glantleys.